kalakalan or through trading relationship between other parts of Asia, they have a metal. And then yung kanilang cotton, gawa sa wild pulp. They put charcoal powder in order to catch the spark. So now, he will show you how to make fire. And then lang. So in a few strikes, there is a smoke. Visible na yung usok, and then transfer niya lang sa dried grass. Blow it to make bigger fire. So sa kabilang kamay, yan yung natural incense. Or incense, so kamanyang. Kung ano pong mga tao.
Sala, umiyak mo. Umiyak mo.